Here's a workflow for a business trade fair that expects at least 5,000 plus registrants for their event. That's a high number, and the admin work can quickly drain even the most efficient of admin staff. So we decided to switch things up and take the registration process from manual to automatic so it can run round the clock using Zapier. Let me walk you through the setup. The entire process here begins with a form which triggers whenever a registration is submitted. On the back end, we have type form, which is the form attached to the system that allows every registrant to submit their details. After registration, Zapier immediately generates a unique registration ID for each registrant. So instead of someone manually writing attendee 47, attendee 28, this formatter generates a unique number for each person. Next is the code by Zapier, which then transforms this ID into a scannable QR that will serve as the pass that allows each registrant to access the event venue. So at the same time, all their details is then automatically populated into Google Sheets. And for every form submission that is made, a confirmation email is sent to that person. Whichever your registration type is, the system smartly decide which of the routes you should follow. This will help each registration type to have a different experience and a different email. And for every form submission that is made, the internal team gets a notification right away. With this notification, they get to know who registered, they get to know the participant ID, your industry. So this Zap is published. Let's test it together by submitting this form. Submit, and here that submission has been populated here. So on the email, the first email has entered, the second email we also have it here. Now this is what the email looks like for every applicant. We have a clickable event registration portal. We have the registrant's information here, their status is confirmed, and we have a QR pass which is scannable. So for the second email, this is what it looks like for the vendors. Now they can click into this button, which would lead them to the form where they can get a booth assigned to them. On the Slack side, a notification has been sent to the internal ops team. So this is the full system, and just one form submission triggers this Zap into action. So whether it's for 50 people or for 5,000 people, this system never slows down. It works round the clock 24/7. If you're planning an event or you run a business where you do a lot of repetitive tasks manually, this is the kind of system I can set up to reduce admin work for you.